Hello guys, it's your boy Wizzy. I'm not happy. I'm here to give a complaint for YouTube. Like, how the hell are we gonna make posts? Like, you go calm down, edit video, finish. Then after posting, you'll be seeing 0 views. Highest 10, not more than 20. At least it's just like a 50 jail view. Like, I don't understand, man. Are you guys even encouraging at all? You guys made me go from this to this. Like, just imagine the upgrade, but you still like give me fucking 0 fucking views, man. Come on, come to think of it, how the hell are we supposed to make our posts? Like, how are we supposed to upload? Are we supposed to upload in the main YouTube app or in the YouTube studio, or are we gonna post in our link, man? Come on, it's not fair, man. It's not fair. How the hell are we supposed to make posts? Especially us under 1,000 fucking subscribers. How the hell are we gonna make our post? How? Like, it's now like I'm asking a question here on YouTube. I need you guys to help me. Like, give me ideas in the comment section. Help somebody. Because we don't only scroll and watch videos. Resources are going. So we need befitting answers. Like, you need to go. You need as you dey sup, for here, You can't just make video or post and you get 0 views. You solve everything just for waste. You can only get views here in YouTube when you collab or when you do their new stuff. And collaboration subscribers are not all like, oh god, man. Can somebody give me ideas on what can somebody do to get views? Any settings? Am I missing anything? Am I getting anything wrong? Man, come on. It's not fair, man. Just even if you know anybody that can help me, like, it's getting much, man. It's getting too much. Just tag that person in the comment section. Tag that person. It will help a lot. Because I can't continue posting. Like, I know what to be this. God, no. For this Tinubu time, you go post video, nothing go dey happen. Come on now, I'm not reason am, you know sharp at all. Just make person go dey buy things. Still, you're not making the right video. Like, to them, you're not making the right video. They are still giving you low views with no explanation. They don't even care, man. We've tried optimizing, it's still not working. For many of you guys that don't know how to optimize their videos, for Android users, you just go to your gallery, you change the name of the video before you post, you upload in your YouTube app. That's just called optimizing. They say it lets the YouTube algorithm understand the video before post. Like, it helps spread the video to people that deserve to watch it, something like that, depending on your category, your niche, something like that. Still, I've changed my niche. I don't change them for YouTube creator stuff online. Like, the link, not the app. We don't do all those things, but still, they work. Wetin person go do now? What the hell? Wetin we go do, man? All these people that are getting monetized, how do they do it, man? Like, we just open an account, a YouTube account, post 2 or 3 videos within less than 2 or 3 months, you get monetized. How, man? How? It's just like magic, but sometimes you go dey like saying a film, but no be film. Man, how, man? Like, you go just come out, open camera, do video, do editing, finish, no views. Come on, it's not fair, man. It's not fair. Anyway, don't forget to like, share, and comment. You understand? Then subscribe. It helps a lot. Not only YouTube algorithm. You guys, you the viewers, if you view somebody's video, try and make an impact. Because the way you view another person your own pass, now so they go view your own pass. You don't understand? Now so it be now. So just make things fair. Sometimes the problem is just from us, not just settings and all these things. The problem now us dey cause am ourselves. You go see small creator video where you go just watch finish, instead of you to like, if possible share and comment. You go just view and finish, scroll. You go post now, they find 1 million views. No worry yourself. You go cry. Continue. They find 1 million views, but you go view person post finish to like am na problem. Like just to like person post na wahala. You understand? Talk less of to drop comments. You na celeb wey you be, but you go post dey find 1 million views. Any small creators channel you come across to, just like, comment, share. You understand? Because you are helping that person. They follow help you, no. Because you can't sow where you don't reap. Oh, madam, I tell you, I be your guy. But my man, I was hungry. So let's get in. You see small creator post, you no go like am. I know I'm repeating this thing because now they cause about myself. Small creator post to like am na problem. But you go post, you go dey find 1 million views. You just try, continue. You are trying. Keep it up. You don't understand? Keep it up. At least, even if you get idea, help me, I beg. But no person had to blame me. Just help me. Person don't do suffer for this YouTube. Go dey post, no views, nothing. No engagement. Even if you get the views, to get the engagement na problem. Because of you, the viewers, you won't like. If you watch this video up to this level, make sure you like and subscribe. You know it. You don't understand? Like and subscribe. Then share if possible. It will help me a lot. You don't understand? It will help me. But I still need your opinion. No. Anybody at all you know that has idea on how I'll get out of this 0 jail view. Wanna help me, I beg. 20k for that person.